Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a speed cleaning of my fridge and also putting a little bit of groceries away that I bought from Walmart. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Also, down below in the comment section, let me know if you guys do speed cleanings of your fridge or if you guys do a full-on deep clean of your fridge every so often. And also let me know what products you use to clean out your refrigerator. Anyways, I hope you guys really do like this video and enjoy this video. It is super easy and quick. This is my way of speed cleaning my fridge. I do have a 3-year-old, so I have to learn how to do things quickly. Oh my gosh, how cute is my baby? He saw me recording, so he had to pull out his camera and try to do the same. I bought this camera from Amazon and I think it does its job. It's okay. If you guys have any better suggestions for cameras for toddlers, please let me know, and I will also link that camera down below. I also forgot to mention what I was cleaning my fridge with, and I actually used the Mrs. Mayer's Clean Day multi-surface concentrate. I do about 1 to 2 teaspoons and then fill the rest with water. And I am using the honeysuckle scent. It's one of my favorites. Do any moms out there get tired of picking up toys after toys after toys all day long, every single day? Because I know I do. I am a stay-at-home mom and I feel like that's what I do 24/7. Do any of you guys do Walmart grocery pickup? I do it every single time I need groceries, and it has been such a lifesaver for me. Is anybody else's baby obsessed with these chocolate donuts from Walmart? My baby is obsessed with these, thanks to my husband. I want to know what your guys' grocery shopping looks like. Do you guys do it once a week, every couple of weeks, once a month? What does it look like? Let me know down below. I try to do my grocery shopping once a week. That way I don't get a bunch of food, especially food that we aren't gonna eat, just because my vegetables and my fruits tend to go bad pretty fast. Also, do any of you that have stainless steel appliances clean them with Pledge? It is the best thing so far that I have found. I feel like it definitely helps with fingerprints and handprints. If you guys try it out, let me know down below if it worked for you. This is the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, let me know down below what other videos you guys would like to see. I definitely would love to do a what's in my pantry video, or maybe organizing my pantry. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.